Ulit kayo si JC. Andre, hindi ka dito, Dre. Pila lang ka. You are the second. Okay. Ayan na. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. O, ilan yung girls? 6 din?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Andre. Wait ha. Just wait for me ha.
No. Three. Ay, three man!
Oh, wala nang gagalaw. Wait lang.
Oh, ano na ba instruction? Anong gagawin? Alam na ni Cassie. Ulit nyo na! Huwag nyo na pansinin niya. Talaga naman.
Okay, so this is the water unit 2. Careful, para hindi matapon yung water nyo, ha? Opo. Tumbler, para mo makukunin yung, yung water doon. Okay?
Ano yung...
Just wait. Wait for the instruction, ha? Dito lang, para malapit. Oh, dito lang. Kasi, unit, wait, listen. Listen to Teacher Eva. Makinig. You need to get water there. From there, you need to put it in the cup, okay? CJ, this is your cup, okay? You need to put it here. And Cassie, you need to put it here, okay? Naiintindihan ko ba? Wait, at the count of 3. Okay. Wait lang, Dre. Okay, so first player, Cassie and CJ. Sino yung first player? Okay, second player, Andre and Aryan. Sino yung second player? Si Andre at saka si Aryan. If you finish, you go at the back, okay? Okay, so let's give a chance to your teammate, okay? Bigyan nyo ng chance yung teammate na makapaglaro din. Are you ready? At the count of 3, naintindihan po ba? Okay, sige, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, dahan-dahan. Careful. Okay, balik. Pasa yung school. Pasa. No.
You need to pass it. It's better.
Go at the back. Go at the back.
Oh, that's it there.
Careful. Oh, pasa. Atina. Sabay, go at the back. Move.
Dito kayo susunod.
Atina, go at the back. Yan na. No. Okay, tapon. Go. Go. Careful. Yan. Okay. Isabel. Itapon na. Dahan-dahan. Oh, wala naman laman. Lagyan mo ng laman. Make it more. Wala naman halos laman. Gusto ko. Okay.
Last one,
Oh, last one. Go. Careful. Okay. Sige, let us see. Okay na. So let us see. Diyan lang kayo. Huwag kayong umalis sa line. Oh. This is for the girl.